Hello and welcome to the Power BI basic videos, and in this video I'll be going through the helpful Power BI resources. And of course, we've gone through the training videos, guided learning community, and the Power BI blog. And in this video I'll be covering up for the developers. So this is core developers coding code, developing custom visuals, developing custom stuff in Power BI. So this is specific resources which gives an opportunity for developers to interact and place an idea on that. So I'll just click on this one. Remember to get the help to the help menu, open up the Power BI desktop, and open up the help menu, and you will see all the resources available. So with the Power BI developers, if I click on this one, this is Power BI developers documentation, where we can have a look at embedded analytics, Power BI visuals. This is custom visual development, embedding Power BI inside the website or company portal or something like this that can be done, and automation as well. So this is a Power BI API and push data or pull data from the Power BI data set. Um, Overview of embedded analytics. It will give step-by-step view of how it is connected through that, and what other tools are available for connecting and interacting through coding. It relies on the REST APIs, and it will give an opportunity for the developers to go through that and then have a connectivity based on pushing the data set, or interacting the visuals and going through that things as well. So this is a comprehensive page where we can have not only the documentation, we can also have a learning platform where we can see that we can see that there are many things we can cover up. We can have a Q&A, questions in regards to specific products, and we can also have code samples where we can have multiple code samples based on specific requirements. So for example, this is as your machine learning example, so we'll have all the details based on that. And if we want to just explore where Power BI is, so if you just click on that, so it will say Microsoft Power BI PowerShell samples, and once you click on it, it will open up the script, PowerShell script, for using through the REST API and all the stuff. So that's pretty much it for the resources based on developers, and it covers a comprehensive details about uh, visual development as well as embedded analytics, and it gives you a step-by-step tutorials of how we can have create a new visual or new things in that connectivity as well. Yeah, this is pretty much it for the section in Power BI developers, and thank you for watching. We will see you in next video.